Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So NVIDIA is one of the world's most popular technology stocks, known for its AI chips, gaming GPUs, data center hardware, and artificial intelligence infrastructure. The good news is Merrill Edge makes it easy to buy NVIDIA stocks in just a few minutes. So this is the complete step-by-step process for buying NVIDIA stock on Merrill Edge in 2026. So first thing, open a Merrill Edge brokerage account. So you have to visit Merrill Edge, create an account or sign in if you already have an account. Complete identity verification, okay. Open a brokerage account. So after that, okay, so let's say that we already have an account. So the most important step or next step is to fund your account. So before purchasing NVDA, you will need available buying power. Okay, so here you have to log into Merrill Edge, select transfer money, and link your bank account and deposit funds. Okay, so this is a important step that you have to go through. Okay, so after that, search for NVDA, like search for NVIDIA, which is NVDA. Once your account is funded, open the trade section, okay. Enter NVDA and select NVIDIA Corporation, okay. So then start a buy order and click buy. So click buy, select your brokerage account and choose an order type, okay. So common choices, market order and limits order, okay, and then enter your investment amount. Now choose how much NVIDIA stock you want to buy and enter the number of shares, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.